Hey guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Quadratec soft top storage hanger available for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, both the 2- and 4-door models. Now, the soft top storage hanger is a perfect way to securely and safely store away your soft top and your windows when you remove them from your Jeep for the season. As you can see, it mounts neatly up on the wall, giving you a place to store away everything so that your soft top isn't sitting on the ground in your garage. Now, the product is made right here in the USA. It does require some assembly when you receive it, and it does include all of the hardware to complete that assembly. You're simply going to be bolting a couple of these window hangers onto the main bracket assembly, as well as the soft top assembly hangers. And then it even includes all of the hardware needed to get it mounted up on the wall in your shop or garage. The bracket's been designed to mount to a standard wall using 16-inch on-center studs. As you can see, we can hang both of our side windows on the one channel. We have a place to hang our rear window on the top channel, and then we've even got these tabs up top to allow us to simply store away our tailgate retainer bar. Now, the entire soft top assembly is supported by 2 additional brackets that are needed to be installed once you remove the soft top from your Wrangler, and those secure to the main bracket here with thumb screws and wing nuts. Now, when you're installing your soft top assembly onto the bracket, of course, we need to remove it from our Jeep first, and there's a couple steps we need to follow there. Once you have your soft top in the retracted position and all of the windows removed, the first step, and probably the most important step that we need to follow here, is we need to make sure that we go ahead and lock both of those lift assist mechanisms, one on the driver and one on the passenger side, from the unlocked to the locked position. Now, that's going to prevent those spring mechanisms from unloading once we unbolt them from our Jeep, which could cause some serious injury. So you definitely want to make sure we hit those lock tabs on each mechanism. Once they are in the locked position, we can go ahead and release the support bow assemblies from the door surrounds by pulling the tab, one on each side. Once they're laid down, we can go ahead and remove the 4 T40 Torx bolts, 2 from each spring mechanism on each side, using the Jeep toolkit that came with your Wrangler from the factory. And once you have everything unbolted, it's time to go ahead and grab those 2 hanger brackets. Now, they are marked driver's side and passenger side, and they simply bolt onto these spring mechanisms using the factory hardware that we just removed that held them to the sport bar. Once you have each of those brackets mounted to the spring mechanism, well, we can go ahead and bring the whole assembly over to the wall and attach those brackets to the hangers here using those thumb screws and wing nuts. As you can see, once we have everything mounted on the wall, it is stored away very neatly and conveniently for us, keeping it up off the ground and away from any potential damage when it's stored away and ready to be reinstalled on your Jeep when those seasons change. Now, if you guys want to get any more information or purchase the Quadratec soft top storage hanger for your 2018 or newer Jeep Wrangler JL 2- or 4-door model, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions, you can leave those for us in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you'll definitely want to hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.